Want to turn autocorrect on or off on your iPhone? Autocorrect can be helpful, but sometimes you might want to turn it off for more control over your typing. Let's get started. Solution: turn autocorrect on or off. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap General, tap Keyboard, find the autocorrection option. Toggle on to enable autocorrect green. Toggle off to disable autocorrect gray. Test autocorrect by typing in any app to see if the feature is working as expected. Solution 2: turn off autocorrection for specific words. If you want to stop autocorrect from changing certain words, open Settings and tap General, scroll down, tap Keyboard, and ensure autocorrection is enabled. You can add custom words to the text replacement menu if autocorrect keeps changing words you want to use. By following these steps, you can easily turn autocorrect on or off on your iPhone. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips. And stay tuned for the next video.